Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am Rabia Malik and today we will move towards our lesson number 6. Cleanliness, keeping clean. So let's begin. As a Muslim, it is important to always stay clean. This is because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us Allah himself is the most pure and clean, and he loves those who are pure and clean. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the purest human being ever born. Even when he was a child, he was always clean, smelled nice, and kept his room clean and tidy. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us to wash ourselves every day, have a bath regularly, and brush our teeth often during the day. The Arabic word for cleanliness is tahara. To have tahara, we must do the following things. Number 1. Keeping myself clean. Dear kids, how I keep myself clean? By brush the teeth in the morning and night. Wash away any dirt on the body. Wash hands and face when waking up in the morning. Try to stay in wudu all the time. Rinse the mouth after eating. Perform istinja well. Dear kids, wash face, hands, arms, feet if they are dirty. Have a shower or bath regularly. Wear perfume to smell nice. Wear clothes that are neat, clean, and smell nice. Change underwear and socks regularly. Number 2. Keeping my environment clean. Clean your bedroom and keep it tidy. Keep all your things neat and clean. Do not throw rubbish in house. Dear kids, do not throw rubbish in school. Do not make a mess when eating food. Always clean up after yourself when you can. Do not throw rubbish in the mosque. Always use bins and bags for any rubbish. Number 3. Keep the world clean. Dear kids, do not throw rubbish on the streets or anywhere outside. Do not pick flowers or leaves from plants or trees. Recycle things like cardboard, tin cans, and paper. At this point, we will end the lecture. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.